You are in the heat of battle, you throw your XL banger grenade, and afterwards you go retrieve it. This is what you find. Your shuttle has broken. Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you guys how to replace your shuttle very quickly and easily. I contacted Airsoft Innovations, the makers of the XL Burst Impact Banger Grenade, and they sent me a replacement shuttle. This appears to be an improved version of the old shuttle. Let me just open this real quick. Take it out. This appears to be a beefier version of the shuttle. If you notice, the neck is reinforced right here, compared to the old shuttle, which is just a straight piece right there. I don't know if you can see it too well, but this is wider than this right here. All right. In any case, that's broken. Let's get rid of it. This is the replacement piece. Here's the body of the XL Burst Banger grenade. Take the appropriate size flathead screwdriver, insert, turn counterclockwise, until this fill nozzle is no longer protruding into this channel. Then what I like to do is put some silicone lube on the seals here, rub it around, and then drop this puppy right in here. Now, there's only one way it will go in, or it should go in. This is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. This is the correct way, with the wider portion on top of the XL Burst. And it goes in just like that. And when you push it in, it goes in easily. Take the screwdriver, gently tighten, there we go. We're ready to go. Ready to go to do some banging. XL banging, that is. All right, I hope this helps. If you want tips and tricks on the use of the XL Banger, click up here. And if you want to know how to make your own burst discs, click down here. Take care.